Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you a cool DIY project that you can make from any multimeter. First, you need to disassemble the multimeter. From the entire multimeter for now, we only need the cover. You need to make several holes in it, as shown in the video. Now insert the 100 kilo ohm variable resistor into the hole at the top. Insert the Type-C connector and the LED into the bottom hole. Insert the slide switch into the middle hole. Secure everything with hot glue. This is how it turned out for me. Next, you'll need a mobile phone battery, which should be attached inside using double-sided tape. And the last part you need for this DIY project is a voltage booster board. You need to desolder the variable resistor from it and solder the wires that come from the resistor inside the case. Take the second part of the multimeter and connect everything according to the diagram shown on the screen. This is how it turned out for me. Now let's assemble the multimeter back together. Well, the DIY project is finished. All the functions of the multimeter work just like before the modification, but if you set it to DC voltage measurement mode and then turn on the switch, it turns into a small laboratory power supply. Now we can adjust the voltage from 3.7 volts to 14 volts. With this kind of multimeter, you can now connect and test different devices. For example, we take an LED and touch it with the probes, and as you can see, it lights up. Now let's set the voltage to 6.3 volts and connect the light bulb. The light bulb also lights up. We set it to 9 volts and connect a small motor. As you can see, the homemade device turned out great. I think it's very convenient when a multimeter has a small adjustable power supply. It often happens that you need to connect something, but you don't have the required voltage at hand. With such a multimeter, you can not only measure different parameters, but you'll also always have a small adjustable power supply at hand. The LED is there, so you know that the multimeter is in power supply mode. When you flip the switch, it goes back to working as before. You can charge the internal battery using a regular mobile phone charger, since the battery already has a protection board. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Goodbye everyone.